because of the stress, my 77-year-old body cannot take it anymore. That's the other half of the situation. I've been in and out of the hospital. I just came from a medical workout this early, so alam niyo na, pagka nag-medical workout ka, jeta ka ng 10 hours, maaga kang nagigising, blood extraction. This is the first time in my life that I've been asked to take maintenance medication for heart, high BP, high cholesterol, high creatinine, name it, everything is red flag in my body. Ayan, may tumatawag na naman, taga-media din. So, please try to understand that it's not that I don't want to serve, it is just that my body and also the stress on my family, we are not used to this heavy stress, including heavy security for the family's safety. So I hope, and I wish that people will understand the reason for my resignation. I feel that I've done what I have to do for ICI, but I have to also answer to the needs of my family, family concerns, and my own personal life. I want to get back my privacy. Hindi na ako makagalaw ng hindi na re-recognize sa labas, Kahit na i-AI po niya yung mukha ko, ganun pa rin, So, just to put the record on straight, I have submitted my irrevocable resignation, which takes effect December 15, but I have promised Chairman Andy Reyes that I will make myself available, hopefully not beyond December 31st, but at any point in time that there's any need for my services in terms of technical, wala naman akong may contribute sa legal,